the #1 hosting company on the planet. They're for the big boys. All the big boys use them, and we're a big boy and we use them. We're in 23 different countries right now, plus, and we're going to continue to expand worldwide with this system. We plan on, lots of people downloading the Smart Media Desktop and also the Smart Media Mobile. Imagine having your own permission-based communication system for your own network. All of us know that email's out of control. Even Twitter. I mean, Twitter, you put a message out there, next thing you know it's buried, you're getting spammed by everyone else. So it's nice to have a Smart Media Desktop communication system where you have your own private network to communicate with your customers, with your prospects, and with your friends, your family, your coworkers. This is going to really be advanced, this system back here. So as you can see, a lot of power with branding, a lot of power with communication, and what the future holds with the permission-based communication. And we're going to be putting permission-based marketing in also, but a massive potential for the distributor and the business owner to distribute the Smart Media Desktop. Now let's go through some of the benefits to both the free user and the member when they use the Smart Library and the other valuable assets within the Smart Media Desktop itself. So click on the Smart Library real quick. Now within the Smart Library we have the 30 top subject matters relating to computers and the internet. Definitely social media is a trend out there. It's not going anywhere. Facebook has 500 million users, expected to be over 1 billion by the end of 2011. So, we're giving free training on Facebook and Twitter and some other subjects here. We're giving like 30, 40 free training videos, but there's hundreds of videos here on the top 30 subject matters, and we'll continue to update these videos and add to the different categories here to make sure they have the most updated information within them. You've got videos on WordPress, Microsoft Word. One of the free programs that we have is the Open Office that I'll show you that saved me a couple $100. It does everything from Word to PowerPoint to Excel, and does it on Mac and does it on PC very, very nicely. And we have video training on that also, and that's absolutely 100% free, that software. So the Smart Library is very important for people, because everyone needs to get those basic skills with the internet, social media, and their computer, and they can learn it within the Smart Library itself. Now let's take a look at some additional things under the super content section, which is the value for the consumer, the end user, why they would want to continue to use this system. So we have videos here, and we've got videos on documentaries or music and dance and all that. Let's take a look at our cooking show videos. So you see these different cooking shows that you can watch here. You can click on one of these links and you can watch somebody cooking some onion rings or macaroni and cheese. And one of the cool things we're adding to the system to monetize it for the actual distributor of the SMD, that's what I call the Smart Media Desktop, let me refer to it as the SMD, is we're putting pay-per-view advertisement here where it'll be related to whatever subject they're watching. And every time someone's watching, say, a cooking show, you'll be building income based on pay-per-view of the advertiser that will be advertising something that's related to what they're watching. And we're going to be doing that when they're watching sports or documentaries or rock music or whatever they're watching. We will be adding that pay-per-view monetization for the distributor of the system itself. So very powerful there. Let's go next to the music. So when the folks are listening to different radio stations, commercial free, we'll have another pay-per-view that's related to that type of music, and that will also be monetizing the system for the distributor. And we're going to be adding lots of different radio stations back here. We'll continue to add more. Eventually you'll have tens of dozens and then hundreds of stations back here within the system. Let's go to the software section now. Very important. all the software that's within the Smart Media Desktop. The SMD is checked with over 41 of the top scanning programs for viruses, spyware, malware, all of those different things. And there's no spyware, no malware, no viruses, nothing within the Smart Media Desktop itself or within any of the software programs that we offer for free through the Smart Media Desktop. Very, very important that you know that. It's really, people are very cautious about that, and we are 100% secure, and all of the software within the system is also. Now let's take a look at all the different software that's available. There's thousands of dollars here worth of available software, and when you go over it, it actually has a description that you can read about what the software is. And if you can see that we've got about 60 different software programs here. This is all currently for PC. We will be adding Macintosh to it soon. And you can go by category and then look at the subcategories if you want. So look at utilities, and then you can look at the subcategories and utilities. You can read exactly what this subcategory is. Okay, and then word processing, like I said, I downloaded OpenOffice, which saved me hundreds of dollars, and I didn't have to buy a Microsoft Office for my laptop. And I'm using a lot of the security software also. I'm using the anti-spyware software. I'm using the antivirus software. I'm using a lot of the software that they have back here for security, the firewall software. They got some really great software, and they train you on that software also. So a very, very, very valuable resource to the free user and the member. The free user has access to all of the software downloads. Once they download it to their desktop, they can download any of these software applications. So now let's go back up to Super Content, and let's go take a look at the Bargain Finder. Now this is another revenue generation system for the distributor of the Smart Media Desktop. Let me show you here. I'm going to take a look at an iPad real quick. Now, a friend of mine was looking for an iPad, a 16 gigabyte 3G iPad. He was going to buy like 20 of them for some bonuses around Christmas. He told me the best price he found was at Best Buy for $629. He had texted me and asked me, can you check that Bargain Finder thingy out for me? I did that, and I found him the price for $550, saving him almost $80 per unit. 20 units times $80 is almost $1,600 in savings, and he would have never found that site on the internet unless he used the Bargain Finder system to find it. Very quick, very easy. And one of the really neat things about this is every single one of these categories here, when you go to Amazon, and look how fast our engine is. We are going to be adding a web browser system in here that you can browse any website on the internet, and our engine is 5 times faster than any known browser out there, whether it be Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, any of those browsers, Firefox, Safari. Our engine is 5 times faster. So as you can see, when I'm going from Amazon to ClickBank to buy, it literally moves at the click of a button. I mean, it's that quick. It's very, very fast. And the neat thing about the different places that you can purchase is you have in the back office, you can add your affiliate link for Overstock or Buy.com or ClickBank or Amazon or Google or any of the other stores within these countries. And every time someone makes a purchase, now Google's a pay-per-click situation where you get paid AdSense, but anytime someone makes a purchase on Amazon, whatever their affiliate program is, you get paid. And you get paid directly from Amazon. You get paid directly from ClickBank. You get paid directly from Buy.com or Overstock or any of the other companies within these other countries that we have listed up here. Very, very powerful. I mean, for folks that can build a big network of smart media desktops and then smart media mobile, it's going to be a very, very lucrative revenue stream for you as people find these great bargains on the internet and they buy through the Smart Media Desktop, they locate it through the Smart Media Desktop and buy from one of these merchants, these retailers, you're getting a piece of that sale. Now also folks can definitely find local businesses if they choose to. They can go over here and find whatever business they're looking for within the Smart Media Desktop, so they can click on business.